Okay, we're going.
Alright, it's called She Waves by Hannah and Kelsey. Shush, Taylor. Alright. From the garden she waves with her sexy brown hair. He came behind her and gave a very big stare. Alright,
Cause your hair smells so good.
yeah. Cause your hair smells so good. I can't see. Cause your hair smells so good. I think I should. I know I could. I probably would go Hollywood. When I smelled your hair. With a clash and a bang, she said, "Oh, dang." When the cat went woof, 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 and when the doggy said meow,
The froggy said
when the froggy said moo, it sounded just like a cow. And when they seen her smile, turned them on for a while. And next page, please. They said she was my best friend. Till it came to the end. That's when I finished the song. So now we can all sing along. Ready? Here we go. From the garden. Come on, you're supposed to sing with me. From the garden she waves. With her sexy brown hair. He came behind her and gave a very big, a very, very big, a very, very, very big stare. Sorry, that's my phone vibrating over there. Ooh, snap!
You gotta end it.
Oh, thank you very much. Now, bye.